Hello and welcome back. If you have not been here before, thank you and thank you so much for passing by. In today's video is all about hot oil treatment. Most of you has been asking me what is hot oil treatment, how did you do your hot oil treatment? So I'm here to show you what is hot oil treatment and how you make a simple hot oil treatment for fast hair growth. So for this video, I'm going to be using my homemade oil. I made this oil using rosemary oil and peppermint leaf. I'm going to leave the link here if you haven't watched that video so that you can check it out and learn from this oil. This oil is so great for your hair and scalp. You can use it as leave-in or you wash it out. It's so great for everything concerning your hair. You can as well apply it on your skin if you want to. So what I'm going to do is go straight and show you how I made this oil. And if you don't have such oil at home, you can use any oil you have. Like I always say, don't stress yourself to get a special oils. You use just olive oil, coconut oil, or your good organic sunflower oil work as well. You just mix everything together and you have perfect hair treatment oil. So here I have my water in the water cook. What I'm going to do is just use my oil, put it there, and that's all. Some people microwave their oil, but you shouldn't do that because the microwave is going to kill all the good benefits in your oil. So you should not do that. For me, this is the best way I do my oil. I make sure that the oil is not too hot to burn my scalp, just a normal temperature. So I'm going to start working on my hair with smaller section. I love so much this application bottle. Is so nice. If you live here in Germany, you can always get something like this in €1 shop. I focus the oil on my scalp, massage it, and then apply it all over my hair. Squeeze it in and use my finger to detangle my hair, just like the way you see me doing here. Guys, I tell you, this oil is the bomb. If you have not tried something like this, go and try it. It's very simple to do. You get all your ingredients here. If you live here in Germany, you can always get peppermint leaf and rosemary in every of your foodstuff shops. You can always get, even in Afro shop or Asia shop, you can get peppermint leaf there. On my ends, I always add also more more oil because you want the oil to soak all your hair from your tip to your roots, from your roots to your tip. I tell you, I love so much hot oil treatment. It makes me feel so good. It's just like a therapy for me. It helps reduce stress and make me relax also very well. So it's a very big plus. I love it. I love this so much. It gives me time to communicate with my hair. Guys, I tell you, my hair is so easy to detangle right now. It feels so great. Every time the oil touch my hair, I just love it. And the peppermint feeling on my scalp is just so great. So what I'm going to do is just use this oil, apply more on my edges, and give my scalp that very good and gentle massage. Oh God, this feels so great. Guys, tell me, have you ever tried hot oil treatment? If you have ever tried hot oil treatment, how did you like it? Did you enjoy that much like I do? It feels so great. But this is one thing I don't like. The oil is always running all over. So I just keep my hair in this plastic. I always do this anytime I make my hot oil treatment. This is my steamer I made. I'm going to put it in the microwave, leave it for 5 minutes and then put it on my head. So my steamer is very warm now, so I'm just going to leave this on for 2 hours and then go ahead and wash it out. I'm going to be using a clarifying shampoo to clear all my hair and scalp to remove all the dirt inside. Then follow it up with my deep conditioner. So after 2 hours, I go ahead and shampoo my hair twice because I wanted to get rid of all the oils in my hair. Then I follow it up with moisturizing deep conditioner. After then, I just put my hair inside this protective style until I figure out what I want to do with my hair, because the weather right now is so bad. I don't even know what to do with my hair. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you. Bye from now.